Today, today we have to solve management accounting. Become 6th semester VSKB University Ballari. 2017 paper management accounting section C 15 marks problem. Cash flow statement in 22 question. In this problem, the following are the balance sheet of Bharat Company Limited. Balance sheet as on 2010, 2011, 2010, 2011. In this problem, the assets and liabilities are given, and additional information is given. Depreciation charge on plant 25,000 and land and building was 15,000 during the year respectively. An intermediate dividend paid 15,000. Income tax paid 87,500. Prepare a cash flow statement. In this problem, this is cash flow statement problem. In this problem, first we have to see. In this problem, the solution is first we have to solve, or we have to see tangible assets. In this problem, the tangible asset is goodwill, land and building, plant. The goodwill is intangible asset. First you have to prepare land and building account, plant account. Why it is prepared land and building account? We know the land is sale or purchase of land and building, and also plant sale or purchase of plant. First you have to prepare land and building account. In this problem, the solution is first we have to prepare working note number 1, land and building account. In this problem, the land and building account, the format is particular amount. First we have to know land and building account. First we have to know, see the opening balance of land and building and closing balance of land and building, any depreciation related to land and building. First you see the problem. Land and building 2010 opening balance is 5 lakhs, 2011 is 4 lakh 25,000, and depreciation additional information is given. Depreciation charge on plant 25,000 and land and building was 50,000 during the year respectively. Then you show then problem go to balance drop down is 5 lakhs. It is opening balance of land and building. Then by depreciation is 50,000. It is given on additional information. Then closing balance of land and building, it is by balance carried on 4,25,000. In this both side, which one is highest? This 5 lakhs is highest. So this 5 lakhs is taken both side of 5 lakhs. The balance sheet difference is 25,000. This is by cash or bank bracket next sale of land and building. In the excess of debit side over the credit side, this is sale of building. Excess of creditors over the debit side, it is purchase of land and building. So in this problem, the sale of land and building is 25,000. And also prepared same as well as plant account. Plant account we have to see problem. This plant, opening plant is 2 lakhs, closing plant is 5 lakhs. The additional information depreciation of plant is 25,000. Then go to the problem. Answer, plant account, particular amount. The plant account opening balance is 2 balance drop down 2 lakhs, and also depreciation is 25,000. This is by balance carry down is 5 lakhs. Hence whichever is highest in credit side is highest, 5 lakh 25,000. So debit side is 2 lakhs. So 5 lakh 25 also both side you has enter. The balance of 3 lakh 25,000 is also to cash return bracket na purchase of plant. So is over the excess of credit side over the debit side, it is become difference is come to purchase of plant. And again also goodwill account we have to prepare. Why it is a goodwill account prepare? You know the goodwill written off or not? Goodwill account to balance opening balance of goodwill is 2 lakh 87,500. In this problem also given. Closing goodwill also 2 lakh 25 also given. The balance difference between is also called 62,500 also goodwill written off. It is enter on cash from operating activities. Then go to the cash flow statement. These are the working notes of first we have to prepare cash flow statement. Three working note is there. First one is working note 1, land and building account. We know the sale of land and building. And again working note 2, plant account. We know the purchase of plant, and also goodwill account. We know the goodwill return of how much. Then we have to prepare cash flow statement. Then cash flow statement is prepared. Cash flow statement format is particular, inner column, outer column. Then first one is A, cash from operating activities. Cash from operating activities in the under that net profit as per profit and loss account. Net profit. Go to the problem. Go to the problem. Profit and loss account 75,000, 1,20,000. Difference is getting, that is profit 75,000, 1,20,000. Get difference is 45,000. It is net profit. And add non-operating expense. Non-operating expenses. Non-operating expenses also given in this problem. Income tax paid, general results, opening, closing. Difference is 75,000. Proposed dividend, provision for taxation, goodwill written off, provision for depreciation. These are adding of all non-operating expenses. Adding of all, total 3,95,000. Adding the net profit 45,000, we will get 4,40,000 less non-operating incomes. Non-operating incomes is, there is no one of non-operating incomes. You can get nil. Thus the difference of amount is also called as 4,40,000. Cash from operating activities before adjusting current assets and current liability. Then it will prepare, add in this problem, add decreasing current assets and also add increasing current liability. There is no decreasing current asset in this problem, so this is nil. Add increasing current liability. Creditors is increased. Why it is increased? Also given in problem. Creditors. Where is creditors? Creditors 1,12,500, 1,82,500. So it is increase of current liability. Hence it is written creditors 1,12,500, 1,82,500. Difference is 70,000. Adding of add 70,000 less increasing current assets, debtor, stock, bills receivable. Also these are three also increases of current assets, and less decreasing current liability. Bills payable also decreasing current liability. Adding of 3 or 4, you can get 2,15,000. And substitute the value of 5,10,000 minus 2,15,000. The difference is cash from operating activities 2,95,000 less income tax paid. It is given in the adjustment 87,500. In this adjustment is income tax paid. It is effect on both sides, income tax paid and in this problem, and also income tax paid 87,500 in non-operating expenses. The difference is net cash from operating activities 2,07,500. Then again we have to prepare B, cash from investing activities. Cash from investing activities, it is given in, first we have to prepare a working note, plant and account, land and building account. In this problem solve, first we have to adding up purchase of plant, purchase of any purchase of fixed asset, it is right. Then less sale of land and building, any fixed assets are selling, deduct the sum value. Difference, it is cash from investing activities minus 3 lakhs. Why it is minus 3 lakhs? Purchase of plant is 3,25,000, sale of land and building is 25,000. It is less, so it comes in minus 3 lakhs. Then you have to prepare last C, cash from financing activities. Financing activity related to bank, share capital, any preference or deduction. And in this problem share capital is given. Opening share capital is 5 lakhs, closing share capital is 7,50,000. The difference is 2,50,000. 2,50,000 is next. Redemption of preferences. Redemption of preferences is 6,25,000, 5 lakhs. The difference is 1,25,000. Intermediate dividend paid 50,000. Adding up both 1,75,000 deducted 2,50,000. The difference is 75,000. This is net cash from financing activities. Adding of A, B and C, the difference is net decreasing cash and cash equivalent minus 17,500. This minus 17,500 Add opening value of cash and cash equivalent 62,500. The difference of amount is also called as closing value of cash and cash equivalent. This cash and cash 45,000. You have to, in this problem, go to the problem. Cash 62,540. The closing cash will be answer. In this problem, the closing cash also 45,000. This is answer. This closing cash, this closing cash also tally. So this problem is answer is correct. This is the cash flow statement about.
ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಗುರುತಿನ ಬಟನ್ ಒತ್ತಿರಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್, ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ.